Okay, very nice. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sorry. Good morning. Now I'll start the class. Divya, Grant, turn on your camera, please. As soon as you enter in the class, sit with your camera on. Got it, everyone? Sit with your camera on, everyone. I want to see everyone's nice smiling faces. Yes, Niva. Good. Excellent, Viva. Very nice. This way you have to sit every day with your camera on, okay? Suchi Imali. She left. Now I'm going to start the class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Rajvi Nikhare. Yeah, sit with the camera on, everyone. Suchi, very good. Sit with the camera
Hello,
on, Suchi.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am. How to open that QR code?
QR code, the link I have given you, no? Go to that
Ma'am,
link.
but it is not opening only.
Go to
Ma'am,
that link. Go to
and I
interaction.
have opened. Ma'am, what we have to do in QR code activity?
Wait, I will let you know.
It is a revision of the
Jigar
chapter.
Singh. Yeah, QR code activity is your NCRT activity. Link is there. You have to do the. It is based on the topics which you have already covered in the NCRT textbook.
No, I can't open it on it.
Jigar Singh, you have opened.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you present your screen and show them how you have done that? Okay. Sorry.
Ma'am, it has been present. Ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Hello, ma'am. When I open, there is only that notebook. Ma'am, ma'am, see
No,
this is.
here he is showing. Yeah, go in the. I have instructed. No, go in practice items. This is coming. Then after this page, go to practice items. And then
No,
practice item, go to the circle.
ma'am, it is login.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, it
Now it is
is
coming
like,
easily.
ma'am, it is saying more. Ma'am, you have to click on the. Which of the following figures does not?
Yes, please
Hello, ma'am,
stop
where is
presenting.
practice item written?
Please stop presenting, Jigar Singh.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am, where is? Okay, ma'am, I got it. Okay.
I have written also in my column that first you open this. Wait a minute. If you want to see again, I will show you.
Ma'am, but it is giving four options: circle and its properties, construction, and.
Wait a minute, no, bacha. I'm going to present my screen and I'll show you. At first, sincerely see that. Don't speak in between. And this is not the first time I'm sending you the QR code activity. After every chapter, I send the QR code activity,
Yes,
which is
ma'am,
your.
but this one is another link.
Now
Not
be
that.
quiet, Moksh. This is the page when you link or when you open the link, this page will open. When this page is open, please listen the instruction carefully. You will not speak in between. And this is my right side. Towards your right side, there is a practice items. Go to the practice item. Bring your cursor down. It's coming. Circle cards and wheel chapter assessment. Cards and wheels assessment 4. So first you tick on this. First assessment when you take. Yeah, when you tick on this first assessment, this type of quiz will open. In which part? So you click here on the arrow, it will be bigger. Now you can see the all the questions properly. In which of the following figure the dotted line represent the diameter of the given circle? So which option? A. Now you again click on this arrow, it will be shorter. So click on A and then go to arrow button and the next. Now click on the next question will come. Now again click on this arrow, it will be larger. Which of the shown object cannot be used to trace a circle? So jars,
this one.
jar, glass, or this figure, jug, or this
Perfume.
perfume bottle.
Perfume.
So when you are saying the perfume bottle, I am clicking according to you. Perfume bottle and go to the arrow. It's right. Go to the next. This way, the next question will come. To see the full question, you have to click on this blue arrow, and then if after completing seeing the question and reading the question, again clicking, it will be shortened. Chota ho jayega. Then click on the option. Go to arrow button for the next. Clear? Am I clear with everyone how to solve this? Yes, Anya, please
Ma'am.
ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in my phone it is showing me like this. It is asking me board, then medium, class.
Yeah,
So
you
what?
fill this.
Okay, ma'am.
Fill this board
Hello,
medium.
ma'am. I am not understanding the third question. It is saying observe your
See,
surrounding.
my dear, I will not explain you the each and every question. Observe your surrounding, list any 5 articles which can be used to draw a circle. Click on yes when the task is completed. अगर हो गया, आपने अपने आसपास ये कर लिया ये task practically, so you tick yes, I have done it. Only yes or no ही click करना है आपको इसमें.
Ma'am, there is also 2 blank options. Ma'am.
Either you have to click yes or no, more leave the blank one.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Opening yes, something like this is coming.
Wait a minute,
It is
Vihan.
showing me like this.
Welcome
Welcome to Diksha. Discover content as a teacher, student, parent.
So आप as a student पर click करो बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
Do it right now in front of me.
Then,
so that I
ma'am,
can
continue.
Then continue.
Ma'am, it is showing me name, role. It is showing me like this name,
roll number, Gujarat. Now fill this. Fill this. कुछ भी roll number लिख दो.
Okay, ma'am.
Fill this. Okay, these are the formalities which you need to fill. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have the video.
One child at a time. Yes, Aradhya, I'm listening to you.
Ma'am, and when I open that, so I can't find that options. There are also options that it is.
Can you present your screen, Aradhya?
Okay. Ma'am, we have to watch the video. We have to do something else with the QR code activity. Ma'am, you can
Yes.
see.
Yes. My dear, this is not from my side. Go to that link. Yes. My dear, why it is not coming? Yeah, it is coming. No practice time. Go to practice time. ये नीचे आ रहा है. हाँ. Go to the first option. Open this. Cards and wheel का first option open करो आराध्या.
Ma'am, it's not opening on.
Aradhya, when you click, no double click, at least you should do. Go on the first option. Do it double click. This one, first assessment. English, word is written first. Click, double click on that. It's not opening. You are not clicking even.
Ma'am, I'm clicking what is not opening.
But it is not showing me here that you are clicking on it. Please present it again. Where is your cursor? No, your cursor is selecting. Bring the cursor here. You have touch screen?
Ma'am is doing from phone.
Yes, my dear, it will be
Ma'am,
difficult
I
then.
can't hear you.
Okay, stop presenting. Now I am going to present. We are solving this QR code activity right now in the class. Later on, you can try it. We are doing the practice. It's just for the practice. If you are not able to open it, no problem. I am going to present it. We are going to solve it here. Got it, everyone? Now there is no need to worry about it. I am going to solve it here with you all. Yeah, this was the first question. As I was asking, in which of the following figure the dotted line represents the diameter of the circle? So what is the answer?
A.
So I will screen it. So A is the answer. I will go to the arrow. I will go to the next. Now go to this arrow. This was the what you were saying the answer of this question. Which
Perfume
object
bottle.
cannot be used?
Bottle.
Perfume bottle. So come scroll it down. Click on the perfume bottle and click on the arrow. Go to the next. Now, as the Moksh was asking, I'm not understanding the third one, so please read it properly. Observe your surrounding and list any 5 articles which you can be used to draw a circle, which we have already done when we were doing, right? I told you to go and bring such items around your surroundings and draw the circle with it, write the names of that. Yes, any confusion till the question number 3? No.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
who is raising the hand?
Ma'am,
Veda, what
I've
confusion you have?
Ma'am, I've done this whole activity and I got full marks, ma'am. So,
Okay, congratulations then. So here we do yes
Excuse me, ma'am.
on the arrow. Yes. Now, as the question is coming is diameter of a circular plate is 20 centimeter. What is the radius of that
10
plate?
centimeter.
So click on the 10 centimeter, go to the arrow. Yes, it's right. Next. Chirag and his friends are standing in a circle around a tree. Could the tree be the center of the circle?
No.
Chirag and his friends are standing in a circle around a tree. If a Chirag is standing closer to the tree, could the tree be the center of the circle?
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, it can be yes because tree के चारों तरफ भी तो उन्होंने सर्कल बनाया था.
Yes.
Yes or no? So we say yes. अगर वो ट्री के पास खड़ा है, so he is on the center. No, it is saying no.
Ma'am, I am
See the answer.
If Chirag is standing near, then the circle will be there.
Yes. Sorry.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now go to the next question. Using a compass and colorful pencils, draw a circle as shown in the picture. Click on yes when the task is done. ये आपको खुद करना है. Draw these circles. First small, then little bigger, and keep on because you have to keep the radius different. Suppose एक circle का आपने first small circle का radius 1 centimeter लिया. So little bigger if you want to make, what will be the radius? 2 centimeter. फिर 3, 4, 5, 6. This way you can increase your circle. Got it? And after doing this, click on yes and then go to the next question. So how many stars you want to give this game?
4 stars.
4 stars or 5 stars?
5 star. 5.
This way you can complete your activity and complete this. Any problem till now?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when I'm opening
Yes,
the,
ma'am. Ma'am, I have got 6 out of 6.
there is showing 3 options: board, medium, class. In the first,
Vihan, leave it. Now you understood how to do the activity. I taught. We have clear all the questions. Vihan, what I am asking, can you please respond me? We have discussed all the questions. Now no need to do it again. If you have any problem of going on the filling the form. Am I clear?
Excuse me,
Now
ma'am.
today we are going. Yes, Niva.
The problem is when we have said na board class, that's all done. But when I give
Leave
it
it.
to my
Leave it.
principal, but it's not going. I
But
can
you
tap it,
leave
but
it.
it's not showing continue.
So leave it. We have already done this activity right now. The main motive of this is to do this activity, to see the questions, what is there in this. Okay. Niva, are you clear now? If you have such problem of going and entering in that activity, leave it. Clear? We have already seen the questions and everything clear in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
Now open your, turn on your camera, otherwise you will be silently removed from the class. I know the student's name. Please turn on your camera. Jigar Singh, you are the last one, and Aradhya, please turn on your camera. Now I will not give you a chance, please. Okay. So go. What is the name of this chapter?
Quarters and half. Quarters.
Why are you reading it ulta?
Quarters.
No, ma'am.
Halves and quarters. Halves and
What is the number of this chapter?
Chapter
9. 9.
Chapter 9. Let me take the attendance. Let me then continue. The name of this chapter is Halves and Quarters, chapter number 9. So what do you think? What are we going to learn in this chapter?
Ma'am, halves and quarters. Ma'am, after about half.
Ma'am, fractions. Fractions.
Yes, we are going to learn about the fraction. Fraction, you told me, right? We are going to learn about the fractions. Who will tell me what do you mean by the word fraction?
Ma'am, 18.
Tej Kumar, yes.
Ma'am, we have fraction means we have to divide equal parts.
Yes. And anyone else?
Ma'am, may I say
Vedant.
ma'am, fraction means that we have taken something and we are dividing it.
Okay. Yes. Anyone else? Raise your virtual hand if you want to give the answer. I will give you a chance to speak. Anyone else wants to speak and give me the meaning of fraction? Okay. No one? I will give you. Fraction means part of a whole. Fraction means part of a whole. Suppose this is a pizza. This is the whole, complete. Whole means the full, complete, full pizza, full. This is the complete pizza. Okay. And I equally divided into two friends. Equally divided into two friends. So either I can equally divide in this way or either I can divide equally in this way. Right? If I equally divide it into two friends, okay, so each friend will get how many parts? One part. One part out of how many total parts?
2. 1.5. Ma'am, it will come 1.5.
So we always write half like this. 1
Yes.
upon 2. 1 upon 2 means half.
Yes, ma'am.
Always remember, when we are writing it in this fraction way, total parts always be the down part. And what we call them, there are the names of these fraction terms.
Ma'am, I forgot that I know about that.
1 upon 2. This is called the numerator.
I know, ma'am. Can I say the down one, please?
Moksh, if you don't take permission and if you speak in between, I'll not give you a chance to speak then. Yes. Now speak.
Ma'am, denominator.
Yes. Denominator. This top part is called the numerator. The bottom part is called the denominator. And always remember the denominator is the total parts. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now half, you only know that 1 upon 2 is half. If I have a chocolate which has 8 parts. Out of that 8 parts, I have taken 4 parts. So I am writing the fraction is 4 upon 8. So 4 upon 8 can be half.
Yes, ma'am. It is also half.
It is also the half. Means total out of 8, I have taken 4 parts. Right? Then this is also the half. Suppose you have 20 spoons. And mama gave you to give half of the spoons to your friend. So
10.
how you will write the 10 are the
10.
half of
10.
20? How you will write? Again,
10
follow my class.
Ma'am, may I?
Follow my class.
May I, ma'am?
Kashvi, you will not speak in between like this. You have a class rule which is to raise the hand. Yes, Manya. If the half is 10, and if I tell you to write the fraction for this, how you will write the fraction for this?
Yes, ma'am. I will write first 10. Then I will draw a line down.
This is called the upon line. 10 upon. We will read it as 10 upon
20.
20. Why 20 is coming in the denominator?
Ma'am, because there are 20 spoons and my mother said that I have to give half spoons to others.
Yes.
That's why.
So
The
total
20 half
always come the 20. So you can see this is also the half, 10 upon 20. And if you want to simplify it, simplify means both the numerator and the denominator come in one table. This cut by 10 ones are 10 and 10 twos are 12. 20, sorry. So the answer is 1 upon 2. It is showing exactly the half, the way you know the half is 1 upon 2. Yes. This is also 4 upon 8. The numerator and denominator should divisible by any one table. 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Then it is also half. You can simplify and check whether your answer is right or wrong. Now, I am giving you another number. Tell me the fraction for that. If you have 16 chocolates, you want to give half of the to your friend, how you will write the fraction for that? Please raise your virtual hand. Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, 8.
8 is only the number. If I tell you, write it into the fraction.
8 upon 16.
8 upon 16. Very good. Next is, if I have 32 items of something, I have apples, I have bananas, and if I tell you to distribute half to your friend, wow, you will write the fraction for that. Yes, Jiga Singh.
Ma'am, 16 upon 32.
16 upon 32. And if you simplify this, this will be cut by 16 ones are 16 and 16 twos are 32. You can see this is the half. Yes?
Yes.
So, this half concept is clear to you?
Yes.
Equal division is called the half. Equal division into two parts. Quarters. This is also the equal division doing the parts. But how many parts you are doing of the same thing? In quarter means you have to do 4 parts.
I can say.
Suppose there is one whole pizza and you want to distribute into the 4 friends. So you divide it into the 4 parts and each one will get 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. Got it, everyone? 1 upon 4 is the quarter part. Got it? Now,
Yes.
you have big numbers. For example, you have 12 bananas. Now your mama tell you to distribute quarter of the bananas or the 1/4 of the bananas to your friend. So always when you are finding the quarter, divided by 4 that number. When you are finding the like 16, if I say 16, what is the half of 16? Divided by 2, you will get the half of 16, which is 8. And then write the fraction of this 8 upon 16. And when you are finding the quarter of any number, they always divided by 4, because in quarter we do 4 parts and in half we do 2 parts. Got it? Suppose there are 12 bananas and if you want to divide it into 4 friends and you want to find the quarter of that, divide it always with the 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So 3 is the quarter of bananas, and if I tell you to write the fraction for this, 3 upon 12 is the fraction. Am I clear to you all? This is clear
Yes, ma'am.
or still not?
Ma'am,
What is the quarter of?
about that 12 upon 4 banana because you are stuck in my screen.
Okay. I was discussing about the quarter. Okay. Suppose you have 12 bananas and your mama tell you to give quarter of the bananas to your friend. So how many bananas will come in the quarter?
Ma'am,
Always to find the quarter of any number, divided by 4. So how many bananas will come in the quarter? Who will give me?
4.
4. I can say
4. Divided by 4, which will be 3. And if I tell you, write the fraction for this. So the fraction is 3 upon
12.
because there were total 12 bananas. And the quarter of 12 is 3. So the answer is 3 upon 12. Are you all clear?
Yes. 12.
Can you now start giving me some examples for half in the different ways? Like I told you that 8 upon 16 is also half. 16 upon 32 is also half because 16 is the half of 32. 12 upon 24 is also the half. Can anyone give me the more example for half? Raise your virtual hand.
10 upon 20.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 11 upon 11.
11 upon 11 तो will not come. The 11 upon 11 will be one whole. कि
No,
आपने total 11 parts किए और 11 के 11.
22.
11 upon 22.
So the answer will be 2.
Yes. Answer will be 2.
2 upon 22.
1 upon 11 upon 22 means there are total 22 items you have. You did the half of that. That is 11 is the half of 22. And if you want to write the fraction of that, it will be 11 upon 22. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Anyone else? Yes, Vishnu. Can give me more equivalent fraction same as the half.
Ma'am, 11 upon 21.
11 upon 21 is wrong. 11 is not the half of 21.
Ma'am, 36 upon 11. 36 upon 31.
Wrong. Anyone else? Vihan Dobaria?
30 upon 60.
Yes, 30 upon 60 is also half because 60 ka half 30 hota hai. Yes, Manya?
Yes, ma'am. 13 upon 26.
13 upon 26. Yes. Next child. The Moksh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait.
Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, 92 means 46 upon 92.
Okay, that also right. Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, 50 upon 100.
That also half 50 upon 100. अपन कहते हैं ना half 100 में से 50 marks आए. Means you got just
Yes.
half of that. Yes. Yes. Anyone else?
Ma'am, 10 upon 5.
Ma'am,
10 upon 5 or 5 upon 10?
Sorry, 5 upon 10.
Okay. Anyone else wants to share something?
Ma'am, I.
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Just a minute.
ma'am,
Yes, Vedant.
ma'am, what?
You want to give me the example on half?
No. Ma'am,
Okay. Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am,
Yes.
40 upon
40 upon?
80.
Yes. Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, 3 upon 6.
Yes, 3 upon 6. Got it, everyone?
also tell.
Yes. Yes, please tell.
Ma'am, 14 upon 28.
Very good. 14 upon 28. So these are the different examples of the half we have covered. Now quarters. I will give you one example. Then you have to give me the example of the quarter. Hmm. 3 upon 12 is the quarter.
Hello, ma'am.
1 upon 4 is the quarter. Anyone else?
Ma'am, may
Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Manya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 12 upon 48.
Ma'am, what you are teaching because something was wrong on the computer.
What happened?
Ma'am, you were stuck on the first screen, so that's why what you are doing.
You please make sure that internet problem is not there. 12 upon 48. Yes. Anyone else wants to give me the quarter?
Ma'am, take.
Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, 7 upon 28.
Yes, 7 upon 28 is also the quarter. Anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Kashvi.
Ma'am, 4 upon 16.
4 upon 16 is also the quarter. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Divit.
Ma'am, 11 upon 54.
11 upon 54 ki 44.
No, ma'am, I can say.
11 upon 44 means out of the total 44, if you want to see the quarter, that will be 11 things.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
can say.
Last one example, Bhavya Sagar.
25 upon 50.
No, it will be half. What is a quarter? 25 upon 100, you can say. Is the quarter, not the 50. Okay, got it? Everyone clear about the half and the quarter? Okay, now I want to present my screen. Then I will explain you how to solve that worksheet. I'm
Excuse me,
going.
ma'am, I have one more example.
Yes, please give.
100 out of 400.
Yes. I'm going to present my screen. We will discuss one worksheet here. This worksheet is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to send this worksheet to you all today. But first, we will discuss how to solve this. So please don't talk in between. Let me talk and clear your doubts first with this worksheet. First, let me explain, then ask your doubts. What is the fraction of the shaded area? Now here you have to write the fraction for the shaded area. There are, I can see the shaded color is, which is the orange color. And I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 are the shaded parts. And how many are the total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the total. So as I told you in the fraction, total always be the denominator. So if I want to, please click on my board screen also so that I can explain you how to write the fraction for this. So there are shaded parts are the 4. So I will write it as the numerator. And as the denominator, I will write 6 because always in the denominator total will come 6. I will explain you one more example, then I will ask from you all. The second one, if you see. So shaded is 1, so 1 will be the numerator and the total are the 3. 3 will be the denominator. Because they are telling you write the fraction for the shaded part. If they reverse the question, write the fraction for unshaded part. So you only see how many are the unshaded parts, that are 2. And how many are the total? They are 3. So the fraction will be 2 upon 3 for the second one. Right now they are asking for the shaded, so you have to give according to the shaded. If they reverse the question, they ask you what the fraction for unshaded part. So the fraction is 2 upon 3. Am I clear with you all? Okay. So now I will ask from you all, have to give me the answer. First, Ane. Ane is there in the class. First is done, second is done. Ane, third, give me the answer. How you will write the fraction for the third one?
Anna is not there.
Anna is not there. Next, Vedant is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me the third. Then Tej Kumar, then Niva, then Manya will give the sixth. Please note your names. Yes, Vedant.
Ma'am, 4/5.
Very good. Then next.
Then it was the correct answer.
Yes, correct. 4 upon 5.
3/upon 6.
Very good. Next.
Ma'am, Manya.
Manya is not the Niva I told, then I told Manya is the sixth one. Niva. Niva is not the Kashvi.
Ma'am, okay. Ma'am, 2 upon
2 upon?
2/8.
Yes. Next Manya, sixth one.
Ma'am, 1/8.
No. Shaded part. Sorry. I am seeing this.
Yes, ma'am.
1 upon 8, right. Next is Moksh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, it is 6/7.
Yes.
We
Ma'am, may I say?
6/7, ma'am.
I will move to the next child then.
Ma'am,
Next, Aradhya.
Ma'am, I am saying only no.
6 upon 7 is wrong. 6 parts are not shaded. Just check.
5/1.
5 upon 6, not 5 upon 1. 5 upon 6, because total are 6 and 5 are shaded. Total always be the denominator. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next child. Next child is Tej Kumar. Give me the next answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one.
5/8.
Very good. This way you can solve these 10 questions. Next question is shade the figure. Now here the fraction is given to you. You have to shade the figure.
Ma'am, with the color you have to do, ma'am.
Yeah, you either crayons you can take, or you can take that
It's
pencil also.
in Google Docs also.
Anyway, you can do. Now listen here. Listen here. 11th question is you have to do according to the, you have to shade the figure. So you have to see the numerator only, not the denominator. Denominator is representing the total parts. So we don't need to see the denominator, see the numerator. Numerator is 1. So how many parts you will color? 1. If in the 12th one, how many parts you will color?
6.
In the 13th one, how many parts you will color?
1.
In the 14th, how many parts you will color?
3.
Yes, this way you will complete this worksheet. Okay? And
That is
one
very
more little example I want to give you. I will ask tomorrow also in the detail.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can take a printout of it also.
You can take a printout. You can do it in the Google Docs the way you were doing the activities.
But
Okay. That point I will explain you in the next class because the time is up. So I will explain you in the next class, the point which I'm going to explain. Till here, everyone is clear about the halves and quarters?
yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, students.
bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.